We are in the heat treatment area. We already finished a major repair on the line. We were off for a couple of days of production to do some important but high impact repairs on the line.
We focused mostly on major roll alignments and our wear parts we normally don't get time to work with because they only go down one or two at a time, but when they fail it just becomes a major problem whenever it's multiple. We also improved our drift system by installing a remote I/O so we're more accurate on measuring the length of our pipe, and we also got to change some major sub-assemblies inside of our hydrotester.
We did a very good job at the EMI machine with the participation also of maintenance engineering as well as the production side.
We removed a little over 600,000 pounds of scale from the quench area. We removed 72,000 gallons of wastewater. We removed 15,000 gallons of waste between the straightener and the hydro. And it went very smooth. Maintenance was good at making sure everything was ready when we came in at night, and it was very good, very smooth project.
The collaboration between all the departments helped us achieve 0 accidents and 0 incidents for the Q&T Mini REX. I just want to say thank you to everyone and keep it safe.